In this video, we walk through the Fisheye Labeling Interface, which is designed for images captured with ultra-wide-angle fisheye lenses. These images often have strong distortion, which can make objects harder to label accurately. Fisheye Labeling Interface helps with that. It features specialized tools to make the annotation process easier. This can be very useful in areas like automotive perception, construction, and warehouse analytics, where distortion can make annotation more difficult. To start, create a new images project and select the Fisheye Labeling Interface. Before importing, prepare your fisheye images together with calibration metadata files, like seen on the screen. You can also check the links in the description for format documentation and data sample. Once the data is imported, open an image in the labeling interface. The Fisheye interface is focused on a specific set of tools for wide-angle image annotation: Cuboid, bounding box, oriented bounding box, Polyline, and Polygon. The main tool of interest here is the Cuboid Tool. It is designed for labeling objects with a 3D-like structure directly on fisheye images, such as vehicle in my case. When working with cuboids, you can toggle different modes and features depending on the adjustments you need. You can toggle rotate controls, scale the cuboid, use free transform, enable helper lines for better alignment, and select the primary face to define the object's orientation more clearly. The primary face is going to be reflected in the export archive. Also, when working with the Polygon tool, the polygon is projected using each image's intrinsic calibration matrix, ensuring the labels remain accurate for fisheye images. After finishing the annotation, export the label project in the format you need for review, dataset management, or model training. The exporter uses camera calibration to create curved polygon and cuboid edges, saving them to preserve accurate geometry. The exported data then can be used in your custom machine learning pipelines. That's it for this guide. You can find all related links in the video description. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more computer vision tutorials.